Victims of double murder at St. James party identified. Multi-million-dollar gas station haze in gutters, St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 22-year-old unemployed Trelawney man was among two men who were shot and killed by unknown assailants at a party in Dumfries, St. James on Sunday morning. The police have revealed the identities of the deceased persons as Giovanni Gordon of a Johnson Hill Trelawney address and Adolphus Older of a Dumfries St. James address. The incident reportedly occurred about 2 a.m. when gunmen opened fire on patrons at the party. The two men, who were subsequently found suffering from gunshot injuries, were taken to hospital where they both were pronounced dead upon arrival. Detectives from the St. James are investigating the development. The Old Harbour Police in St. Catherine are searching for a group of men who carried out a multi-million-dollar robbery at a service station in Gutters on Saturday morning. Reports are that about 5:30 a.m., the operator of the Bud's gas station was at the establishment when men forced their way inside the building. The men held up the owner and an employee at gunpoint. The men reportedly stole $24 million and escaped in a waiting motor car. More details to come following further investigations.